So this is a rare case of a ear lobule defect. We're going to reconstruct this. You can see the ear how it's now. This baby is about a year and a half old. This is a birth issue. It's like an ear cleft. And we'll have to do what's called as a lobuloplasty. So we've just completed with this so-called lobuloplasty, ear reconstruction, whatever you want to say. This was an issue by birth. I'm going to show you the different views now. And we're also going to show you how the kid was before we started. That's a close-up. And now we're going to show you the before. So you can see that there was literally no lobule. And this is now.